Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ben here in Salt Lake City, Utah at the Auto Expo. And guess what? We have something you've never seen before. So in this video, I'll show you guys the exterior of this Nissan Altima Snowmobile. And leave a comment. Tell me guys what you think about this. I guarantee this is the most insane car you've seen today on the internet. This is a Nissan Altima Snowmobile. So let's do a walk around and check it out. It's got some snowmobile wheels. So check that out. I'm not sure if I'll go in the mountains in this thing, but looks like it can handle it. I mean, these are actual wheels. I mean, these are actual snowmobile wheels. Check out the tires. But check it out, guys. This is amazing. What do you guys think? It's a real car, but it's a basic Nissan. I mean, all-wheel drive. Nothing much to see here. Regular instrument clusters. You have a prominent display, your regular options for your car, audio menu, camera. You have climate control down here. Decent quality. Two cup holders right here. You have your basic gear. These are cloth seats. And that's a view inside the back, and it does have a sunroof up here. So pretty much basic Nissan Snowmobile. That is amazing. Yeah, I don't know. Probably take it skiing. I don't know what you guys think. So leave a comment in the description. Let me know what you guys think.
Did you get fired?
What? See, it's bolted onto the transaxle for to spin this, to spin this wheel. But how does it keep from just going back and forth?
Yeah. Oh, this is actual. Wow, this is metal.
Yeah.
I mean, this is actual metal. And it has a stepper. I mean, obviously, if you get in, I guess you step on that. So this is actually metal, which goes underneath the car. But I think it's gonna touch the body here when you go off the terrain. This is definitely gonna come off. So let me know what you guys think about this car. Leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. See you on the next one. Peace.